If you have frizzy hair and you're looking for a home treatment to help tame and manage it, here's a simple recipe you can try. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions: mash the ripe banana until it becomes a smooth paste. Add the coconut oil, honey, and olive oil to the banana paste and mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Apply the mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the ends. Make sure to focus on the areas where frizz is most prominent. Once your hair is fully coated, cover it with a shower cap or a warm towel to create a warm environment for the treatment. Leave the mixture on for about 30 minutes to an hour to allow it to deeply penetrate your hair. After the designated time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This homemade hair treatment can help moisturize and nourish your hair, reducing frizz and making it more manageable. It's recommended to use this treatment once a week or as needed to maintain smoothness and control over your frizzy hair, remember? Results may vary depending on your hair type, so it's